What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. It's Friday. It's the Caleb and Anthony show. We just had a regular customer ask us, what does it mean when the brakes squeal? And I said, wow. I said, I really haven't heard that complaint in a long time, right? I mean, we get people come in and say they need brakes, but not necessarily for squealing. It's grinding, pulsating, locked up, seized, warning lights. And I said, well, it could mean that it needs brakes, or that could mean that there's something wrong, or the brake job was done wrong, or the quality of the job. So there's a lot of factors to that. Man, my hair is a mess. It needs to be looked at and diagnosed, to figure out what's going on at the wheels. So I said, wow, we don't hear people normally complain about squealing anymore. Well, or they're just ignoring it, because the windows are up and the radio's loud. I don't really know. Cars are quieter inside, but typically it's warning lights on, poor stopping, pulsating, thumping, grinding, but very little noise complaints nowadays. But noise does mean something, and it needs to be evaluated. Thanks for watching.